Hello Perfectly Polished Company. My name is Kelly Kitley and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on adding borders and the Posh logo to your photos and graphics. This is a tutorial for using on your computer. We'll do something for phones later. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to canva.com and register as a user. I registered with Facebook, so to log in, I literally just have to do this and boom, there I am in it. It does save your projects, which is really cool. I use this a lot. And it gives you a lot of options for creating new things, including things for print. They save as a PDF, which is print quality, which is great because, as you know, sometimes when you print from online, it's not so good. We are going to use this square one right here, 800 by 800 pixels. It says social media, and all you have to do is click on it to open the design window. Now I use Canva because it's super simple. There are tons of free graphic editing suites and softwares that you can download, but this one is free, it's online, and it doesn't have too many tools to overwhelm somebody who doesn't have graphics experience. You can get your own stuff in it by clicking Uploads. So we need that Posh logo. So I gave you guys the link to my Vixen Posh graphics because I could no longer find the clear transparent background logo in the box. This is my team's graphic page. You guys are free to look around and take what you want. Be warned, a lot of it is outdated. We haven't had time to update. But the logos, if you click this file that says logo right there, those didn't change. Those are okay to use. You always want to grab one that has the .png because that saves the background transparency. What that means is the white area in the background will be clear so that when you put the circle on top of a photo, it will look like a circle and not a circle with square white edges. So I have two choices here, transparent black logo or transparent pink logo. And to download, you just point and download. It's on your hard drive now. So back to Canva. All you have to do to get stuff into Canva is click Uploads, and then the screen bar that says Upload Your Images. You can navigate your entire computer and upload anything you want, but we are going to put the logo up. And also, I hope you all took a selfie with the Posh product. If you didn't, really any photo or graphic you grab from the Posh site will work. And we're going to give it a second here to finish uploading. So, let's talk first about the background. See, this square is kind of boring and white. Let me close that out. Yeah, a little more space. So, if you click on backgrounds, you can do solid color backgrounds just by clicking here. You can do custom color by clicking the little plus sign, and you can see every color the rainbow is available. Remember, when you're choosing colors, that the slider bar here gives you brighter and darker. So you can literally do anything. You want to probably avoid having everything be super, super bright. One nice trick is to get down in some mid-tones for some nice colors that display pretty well. Okay, I'm going to try to not mumble because my mic is on top of the monitor. So less mumbling, Kelly. If you look at these ones that say free, these are all free pattern backgrounds you can use right from Canva. If you keep scrolling down, then they do have backgrounds that you have to pay for. Avoid those unless you want to pay. Oh, these are some new ones I haven't seen. Let's try this one. Oh, that's weird. Let's try this one. Okay, dots. That'll work. So I've picked a free background. And if you click over here, once you click on the background, you can see some more options come up. The trash can lets you delete it if you just changed your mind. Okay, I changed my mind, so let's grab something else. Boom. Click on it again. Those are a little complicated. We'll save those for some future. But pick a color here, and you can also change the background color. And again, you can do the custom color palette. Any color you want, lighter and darker, by clicking and sliding. So let's just pick a standard color. Boom, blue. Now we want to get our photo on. So I've uploaded it already and I just click it. There it is. That's how easy it was to add a border to that photo. Now I want to stick on the logo. Boom, I click the logo. Well, that's not good. But see these little dots on the corners here? If you point to one of those, click, and slide your mouse, you can resize those to any size you want. So let's see that. That looks good. And then, see when I point to it how you get this little plus sign with arrows on the ends? That's an indicator that you can move this item. So I'm going to click, drag my mouse, and see how I just moved that logo into a clear spot on the photo. Now I have a border and a logo on my photo, and you can see it took hardly any time at all. Of course, I don't like this border color now, so I'm going to click on it again. So I can click on the photo, I can click on the logo, and if I'm careful and click here, I can get the background and change the color. Let's just do pink. Matches a little better, maybe. Once you have your photo how you like it, you just click download. Just save it as the PNG, which is recommended, and we can talk about other download types later. Clicking it, saving it. This is now going to be on my hard drive, and I can upload it to any website. The secret way I get it onto my phone from my PC is I send it to myself in a message on Facebook, and then I can just log into Facebook from my phone and save the photo from there. There's probably easier or more simple ways, but messaging myself photos is the way I transfer pretty easily from phone to PC. We didn't talk about text, and I do have a couple minutes here left on my recording time. So let's talk about text. See this right here? It's that easy. I clicked the text area. I want to add this size words. Here is where you select the font. You will not find the standard Posh fonts here, but for just making graphics, this is fine. Let's make it a little bigger. And just like any time you're editing, you highlight it and you say, I don't know, I love flower child, and put it there. And as you can see, it's not legible, so it's the little color area. Pick a color. That lets you change the color of the font. White is not great. Pink could work if we move it. Let's move it. I can play endlessly, endlessly with messing around with stuff. I would never write I love flower child and put it right there on this graphic. But just for demonstration purposes, that is how you add text. It can be dragged around. You can click it and keep typing new things. You can change the color endlessly. You can just play with it to your heart's content. I try to be quick. I do get a little bit lost in the graphics sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to get a border, a logo, and some text on a photo or graphic.